What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept like a baby.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I usually check my phone.
Did you have any dreams last night?
Yes, but I can't remember them.
What's for breakfast?
I'm having toast and eggs.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Definitely coffee.
Are you in a hurry today?
Yes, I have a meeting.
What are you wearing today?
A blue shirt and jeans.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny and warm.
Are you ready to leave?
Yes, definitely.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus every morning.
Is there a lot of traffic?
Yes, it's usually quite heavy during rush hour.
Do you usually listen to music on the way?
Yes, I have a playlist just for my commute.
How long does your commute take?
About 30 minutes.
Do you enjoy commuting?
Not really, it feels like wasted time.
Did you forget anything at home?
Yes, I forgot my lunch today.
What's on your mind this morning?
I'm thinking about the presentation I have.
Are you running late?
A little. I missed my usual train.
Do you take the same route every day?
Yes, it's the most direct one.
Do you prefer public transport or driving?
I prefer public transport. It's less stressful.
What time do you start?
I usually start at 8:30.
Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, one in the afternoon.
What are you working on?
I'm finishing up a report for my manager.
Who do you usually sit next to?
My friend from accounting.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I find the work really interesting.
What subject are you studying right now?
I'm currently studying economics.
Did you bring your lunch?
Yes, I packed a sandwich and some fruit.
Who's your favorite coworker?
My manager, she's very supportive.
Is it a busy day?
Extremely back-to-back tasks.
When is your next break?
In about an hour.
What are you having for lunch?
Chicken salad and a yogurt.
Do you eat out or bring food from home?
Mostly bring food from home.
Do you want to join us for lunch?
Sure, I'd love to.
Do you have any dietary restrictions?
I'm vegetarian.
What's your favorite lunch meal?
Pasta with vegetables.
How much time do you get for lunch?
45 minutes.
Do you usually eat alone or with others?
I usually eat with a couple of friends.
Are you hungry?
It's been a long morning.
What do you drink with your lunch?
Just water.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love exploring different cuisines.
Are you feeling tired?
A little. It's been a busy morning.
Do you need a coffee break?
Definitely I could use a boost.
What's left to do today?
I have a few reports to finish.
When is your deadline?
Tomorrow at noon.
Do you have any plans after school?
Going to the gym.
Do you usually take a short nap?
Only on weekends.
Is it hard to concentrate in the afternoon?
Yes, I hit a slump around 3 p.m.
What's your biggest task today?
Finishing a client proposal.
Can I help you with that?
That would be great. Thanks.
How was your day so far?
Pretty good, actually.
What time do you get off work?
I usually finish around 5 p.m.
How was your day?
It was productive and smooth.
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta tonight.
Do you cook or order food?
I like to cook whenever I have time.
Who cooks at home?
My mom usually does.
Are you eating with family or alone?
I'm eating with my family tonight.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
Mostly vegetables and some kind of protein.
What time do you usually eat?
Around 7 p.m.
Do you help clean up after dinner?
Yes, I always help with the dishes.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, it's one of my favorite hobbies.
What do you do to relax?
I listen to music or watch a show.
Do you watch TV or read books?
I usually watch TV in the evening.
What's your favorite show right now?
I'm really into The Office right now.
Do you go out at night?
Only on weekends.
Are you staying in tonight?
Yes, just relaxing at home.
Do you check your phone before bed?
Yes, it's a bad habit.
What's your evening routine?
Shower, read a bit, and sleep.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
Do you plan for tomorrow?
Yes, I've already planned out my tasks.
Are you tired?
Yes, it's been a long day.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I just did.
Do you check your social media before bed?
Yes, I scroll for a bit.
Do you turn off your phone before sleeping?
No, but I put it on silent.
Do you need an alarm for tomorrow?
Yes, I have to wake up early.
Are you excited for tomorrow?
Yes, I've got something fun planned.
Do you feel rested?
Not yet, but I will after sleep.
What was the highlight of your day?
Having coffee with a friend?
Did you talk to someone you love today?
Yes, I called my mom.
Do you say goodnight to someone?
Yes, always to my family.
Are you ready to sleep?
Yes, I'm already in bed.
What made you happy today?
The weather was beautiful.
Did you learn anything new?
Yes, I watched a documentary.
What could you have done better?
Managed my time more wisely.
Did anything surprise you today?
Yes, an unexpected visitor.
Did you help someone?
Yes, I helped a colleague.
What are you grateful for?
My health and my family.
What do you want to improve tomorrow?
My focus at work.
Are you proud of yourself today?
Yes, I handled a tough situation.
What stressed you out today?
Work deadlines were tight.
What did you enjoy the most?
Relaxing with a good book.
Do you sleep in on weekends?
Yes, I love sleeping late.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I did a quick cleanup today.
Did you go grocery shopping today?
Yes, I went this afternoon.
Do you meet friends on weekends?
Yes, we often hang out on Saturdays.
Did you exercise?
Yes, I went for a run today.
How do you spend your free time?
Watching movies or gaming.
Do you go out or stay home more?
Mostly stay home. I'm a homebody.
What's your favorite weekend activity?
Going for a nature walk.
Do you call your family?
Yes, almost every day.
Do you plan trips?
Yes, I love planning short getaways.